Okay, here's the mini wheel kits. Come in little packages. There we go. What you get is a 1/4 inch spacer, a couple of 1mm washers, 2 little bearings, 5mm nut, 5mm screw. Okay, so all you do, you take your actual wheel itself, place it over the top of one of the bearings and push down gently so it's nice and flat. And take one of your mill washers, check they're both near enough the same, stick it in, make sure the washers in the middle. Use the bolt just to push it around so it's nice. Place the other one on the top, push down, there you go. Push it, make sure it's about even on. There's your little mini wheel kit, put together. Okay, thanks all. See you later, guys.